You have to start with the new topic, commission. What is the meaning of commission? If you will go to the market, that time some commission agents are there for the dealing of the goods. Here, if farmers have the grain and if he wants to sell that grains, that time he will directly deal with the commission agent. That commission agent will help that farmer for the selling the grains, and for that work he will collect the commission from the farmer, and farmer will give the commission to the commission agent, and that commission agent will help for the selling, and whatever be the amount will get to the commission agent from the farmer is called as the commission. What is the meaning of commission? That you have to see. Commission means the person gets some remuneration for the service. The remuneration is called as the commission. Means that commission agent is providing the service to the farmer. That time you have to say that remuneration is called as the commission. Whatever be the service that commission agent will provide to the farmer for that service, he will collect some money from the farmer. That money is called as that amount is called as the commission. Then the person who provide the such a type of service is called as the commission agent. Means for the selling the goods, this commission agent provide the service to the seller, and that whatever be for the service, whatever he will collect from the farmer or the seller, that one is called as the commission. The commission is decided in terms of the percentage. Every time the commission is decided in terms of the percentage. Then the rate of commission is vary according to the type of the goods. Means type of the goods, grains has the different rate of commission. Then if will sell if that commission agent will help for selling the fruits, that time the rate of commission is different. Means for the different goods the different rate of commission is there. Then the rate of commission is vary according to the goods, and rate of commission is 10% means. What is the meaning of rate of commission is equal to 10% means what? What is the meaning of rate of commission is equal to 10%? At that time I will say that if the selling cost of the good of the farmer is rupees 100, if that selling price of the goods that commission agent will decide as 100 rupees, that time then we have to pay the rupees 10 to the commission agent. At that time you have to pay the rupees 10 as a commission to the commission agent, and the amount received by the farmer, the amount received by the farmer after sale is equal to, what you have to say, the cost of the good is 100 minus commission is equal to 10 rupees. At that time that amount will come in the hands of the farmer is 90 rupees. Means if the selling price of the goods is 100 rupees, commission agent decide the selling price of the goods of the farmer is 100 rupees. At that time that farmer has to give the 10 rupees commission to the commission agent, and the amount received by the farmer after selling is equal to selling price of the good minus what you have to say, commission. In this way you have to solve the example related to this topic, commission, and you have to solve the example. So you have to write all this point in the notebook properly. In next lecture I will start with the exercise. Thank you.